David Berg, also known as Reality Reimagined, is an amazing artist, creating amazing composites and solid other types of photography with special effects added in Photoshop. I started following him for his composite work and even joined his group on Facebook. Sadly, the group was run very poorly, so I left. Nevertheless, his work is still solid. That is why I'm sad and pissed that I spent $20 for his custom brush set that can be summarized as garbage. Hello, gentle listener. Today, I will tell you about one of the scummiest cash grabs I have encountered this year. It is a cash grab so insulting that the only reason for it existing in its current form is that David thinks of people as idiots that do not possess the ability to think. As much as I like his work, I don't like his business practices. Let's start with the store. There is nothing there that would show you the brushes. Makes sense, since they are so pathetic and worthless. If someone would see them before the purchase, they might think that David is trying to scam them. They would be right. There isn't any kind of text. His whole marketing for this is relying on his reputation and a few YouTube movies in which he shows how he uses probably one of 3 brushes that can actually be useful and are not total shit. From this point on, I will show you the brushes, since David doesn't have the balls to do it himself. So, if you are interested in how they look, now's your chance. He divided the brushes into 2 sets called Light Flare and Background Glow, each costing $15. So, if you would want to buy them at that price, that would be $30 for something that you will rarely use, and most of it is just shapes from a pen tool. Of course, he created a pack of both of them for just, wait for it, $20. If that's not insulting enough, keep listening. Some of the brushes are the same, with the difference being either adding a little blur to them or just by rotating them. Thank you, David. Hitting Ctrl-T and rotating them myself is beyond my skill level. I don't know what would I do without you. Thank you. There are also some that look like they were made using the default brush and just flattening them. The whole pack is worthless. You can get a lot more and a lot better brushes with similar style at Brush Easy, and they will be free. That's right. A service with free Photoshop brushes treats you better than a photographer who bullshits that he cares about his audience. I implore you, don't buy this. I did it, so you don't have to. Save your money and buy something that will be actually useful for you, like bubblegum. I will always fight this kind of scams and inform about them as I encounter them. Don't give him your money. At least for this. He does not deserve to be rewarded for creating this shit. As a final note, I will say this. I love David's work very much, and I will continue to follow him on Instagram. But David, in regards to this brush set, I say this to you. Fuck you. Good night, good luck, and don't you dare go hollow.